Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here. Welcome to my tutorial, and today I'll teach you guys and explain to you guys how to add in levels into the Toprock. Okay, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon, so whenever there's a new video coming out from my channel, you'll be the first one to get notified. Alright, now without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. To adding levels into your Toprock, there are tons of ways and tons of Toprock that you can work on, but for the sake of time in this tutorial, we're just gonna choose 3. Okay, I'm gonna choose the very basic step, which is the side step. The second step I'm gonna choose is the front kick, and the last step is the infamous Indian step. Okay, now we start with the side step. For side step, usually what we do is we kick one of the leg to the front and move the other leg to the side. Okay, now to continue to adding levels, this is what we're gonna do next. Is my right leg is gonna go to the back of my left leg, and my upper body is gonna bending down. Look something like this. So let's do this all the way together. Kick down. Now you can see your right hand is free, so you can do all the details part with your right hand. There are 3 ways to do it. You can either just place it on the ground as normal, or you can touch your left foot, or you can take it to the notch. You can even grab or touch your right foot, which is happen there behind your left foot. So it's kind of far, but if you are quite flexible, then it's quite easy to do it. Alright, so let's try 3. The first one, place it on the ground. The second one is touching your left foot. Now the third one is grabbing or touch your right foot. For the front kick, it's very straightforward. Okay, we're gonna kick our right leg to the front, and the next step, our right leg is gonna go to the back. Again, from there, you're gonna bending your upper body down like this. Okay, for the hand part, again, I won't expand all the detail because it's kind of same with the first one. You can do whatever you want. Okay, just focus on your right leg first. Here we go. Kick down. Now if you watch closely and watch the detail that I add in into the move, which is my right hand, is always the right hand do all the work. Okay, so the first one, my right hand touching your foot. The second one, also the same, is my right hand that do all the work. There's a reason behind it. Okay, so I found out that when you do the reverse, if you use your left hand, the move doesn't look dynamic at all. I'll show you an example for the side step. Okay, kick, kick. Now instead using our right hand, I'm gonna use my left hand to do the pose. Alright, here you go. One more time. I'm not saying anything that this is right or wrong. It's just that personally, I feel that the move doesn't look dynamic at all if you're using your left hand. So the conclusion is, if you're using your right leg to lead the Toprock, for example, it's my right leg that lead the side step because my left leg is kicking to the front and my right leg is do all the work, then use your right hand to do all the details. Same thing with your front step. It's my right leg to do all the work, then I'm using my right hand. Okay, because for the front step, I will show you if you use your left hand. So this is just my take on using my right hand instead of my left hand. But if you want to use your left hand, by all means go ahead. Alright, so now let's move on to the last step, which is the Indian step. Okay, for Indian step, I want to do something different rather than just bending down like the first 2 Toprock earlier. I'm gonna use my whole body to do the levels. Alright, so what I mean, I'm gonna show you Indian step, turn and down. Alright, you can see my whole body is going down instead of just my upper body. So if you do it fast, and then coming up, continue with my top rock. So now I'm just gonna combine all these three that I just told you, the top rock with the level changes. All right. To be honest, I haven't do any set of this, so I'm just gonna freestyle with the music. All right. So here we go. So there you go. I just showed you guys 3 level changes that you can do with your top rock. Actually, all the top rock that you can think of, you can do level changes as well. So, you know, just go ahead, have fun, try it out. And if you want to send me a video to let me see, just go ahead. You can send me on my Instagram, or you can send me to the link on your YouTube. I'll try my best to check it out. All right. So that's about it. Subscribe and subscribe. Let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.